Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious oven-baked hickory smoked honey barbecue chicken. This recipe can serve in between 4 to 9 people, and it is absolutely delicious. One of my favorites. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your oven-baked hickory smoked honey barbecue chicken. You will need 4 pounds of chicken, and that equals to about 4 chicken thighs and 4 chicken legs. And along with that, you will need some unsalted butter, 1 12-ounce can of Hunt's tomato paste, vinegar, molasses, honey, liquid hickory smoke, and some sugar. For your seasonings, you will need some salt, Tony Chachere's Creole Seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole Seasoning or the Slap Your Mama Creole Seasoning. You will also need some Chef Paul Prudhomme's Porchy Magic and some Cajun Life Mesquite Barbecue Rub, and all their seasonings can be found at www.cajunlife.com. To bake your hickory smoked honey barbecue chicken, you will need a 9 by 13 inch glass or metal pan. And there we have it. We're going to start by adding our chicken into a strainer, and we're going to rinse it off with cold water. We're going to take some paper towels and we're going to pat dry the chicken. Now, as you can see here, there's some excessive fat on the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and take my knife and I'm going to trim that fat off. And you want to make sure you trim all the fat off your chicken. We've transferred our chicken into a large bowl. Let's add some seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole Seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Chef Paul Prudhomme's Porchy Magic, 1 teaspoon of Cajun Life Mesquite Barbecue Rub, and 1/4 cup of the liquid hickory smoke. Using your hands, coat the seasonings and the hickory smoke onto the chicken. Place this into your refrigerator and let this marinate for 1 hour, or if you don't want to do that, you can let this marinate overnight. Butter the bottom of your baking pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place your chicken into your baking pan. Now at this time, this is optional. If you want to sprinkle a little seasoning, you can. I'm going to sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole Seasoning. Now we're going to add some cubed butter on top of the chicken and around the sides of our baking pan. Now this is about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I'm adding. Place your chicken into a preheated 350 degree oven. Bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. After 40 minutes, pull out the bottom rack to your oven. Using a pastry brush, take the juices from the bottom of your pan and baste the chicken. Push your bottom rack back into your oven and let this bake for 40 minutes. Remove your chicken out of the oven after baking on 350 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Here we have our chicken. As you can see, I've drained all of the pan juices. That's exactly what we want, so that way we can barbecue our chicken. So let's get started with our barbecue sauce. Add 1 16-ounce can, that's 1.5 cups of tomato paste, 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1/2 cup of the hickory smoke liquid, 1/3 cup of honey, and 1/3 cup of sugar. Stir all your ingredients together. Now this next step is optional. Add a half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick stir. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add your barbecue sauce. Give that a quick stir. Now we're going to let this come to a simmer first. Then you're going to let this simmer for 1 minute. It's been about 1 minute now, and as you can see, our mixture is at a simmer. And we're done. Turn your fire off. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Using a pastry brush, and here we have our barbecue sauce, we're going to brush the barbecue sauce onto each piece of chicken. Now we're going to flip the chicken over, and we're going to brush the barbecue sauce on the other side of the chicken as well. Place this into your broiler part of your oven, and you're going to let that sit in there for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove your chicken from the broiler part of your oven. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, that chicken has a nice coating of barbecue sauce on there. Looks good. Now we're going to let this cool for 5 minutes before serving. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, oven baked hickory smoked honey barbecued chicken. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook at www.facebook.com/charliethecookandrews. Stay tuned, as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's Taste Test. Look at this here. Look at that. It's about to get messy in here. Oh yeah. Man. That chicken is literally falling off the bone. Then you have the flavors from all the seasonings that we added in that liquid smoke. Then we have the flavor from that hickory smoked honey barbecue sauce. Man, it's good. Wow. Woo, boy. It is delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.